All right, you guys, so what time of the day, of the year, of the month should you be doing good things? Trick question, because you should be doing good things all the time. You are called to love, and not at a particular hour, but at every hour. So in today's gospel, we hear the story of this woman who walks to worship, and she's been hunched over all these years. She has an evil spirit, and it was the Sabbath, and Jesus comes in and he heals her. And so the Pharisees start to complain, say, hey, why are you healing her on the Sabbath? You have all the other days of the week to heal. Why are you doing it now? So sometimes you are going to be doing good things, and people are going to stop you just like they did Jesus and ask you, hey, why are you doing this now? You could be doing it any other time. Why did you choose now? The thing is, now is the moment where we can act. Now is the moment where we can love.